couple of years ago, I had a great paying client, but they wanted me on call 24/7. Messages on WhatsApp, virtual meetings, changing scope, all at all hours. Even though they paid well, it drained me. I had to end the relationship for my sanity. Welcome back to the Freelance Insider Show. This episode is all about tools, systems, client boundaries, and strategies that help you grow without losing control. So, what are some tools that make work easier? I used to manage everything with sticky notes and spreadsheets. Not great, I admit. My desk looked like a tornado hit it. Then I found project management software. And that was a game changer. These tools help you see everything in one place, track progress, and reduce mental load. Here's how I categorize them. One, all in one platforms. These tools combine proposals, contracts, invoicing, task management, time tracking, and CRM into one place. Great if you don't want digital clutter. Examples include Honeybook, Plutio, and 17 Hats. Specialty tools. If you're not ready for all in one platforms, start with a visual project manager like Trello. I use it because it's flexible, visual, and simple to structure around your workflow. Time tracking apps. Apps like Clockify and Toggle help you accurately track billable hours, critical for charging the right rates and understanding where your time goes. Personally, I use Clockify right in Chrome as an add on. Next, let's consider leveling up with automation. Automation has been one of the best upgrades to my workflow. Tools like Zapier and Make.com help automate tasks like invoicing, meeting scheduling, reminders, and so much more. This means fewer repetitive tasks for you and more mental energy for the work that actually pays. And this is just the beginning. Automation is becoming essential for efficient freelance workflows. Let's jump into client communication and boundaries next. I'll start with a personal story as a real world example. A couple of years ago, I had a great paying client, but they wanted me on call 24/7. Messages on WhatsApp, virtual meetings, changing scope, all at all hours. Even though they paid well, it drained me. I had to end the relationship for my sanity. Here's what I learned from that: set clear expectations up front, agree on communication channels, preferred response times, and what's included before work starts. Realistic timelines. Don't promise unrealistic deadlines just to impress a client. You'll end up stressed and underperforming. Honest communication. If you fall behind, say so. Most reasonable clients understand and respect transparency. Next, let's look at building a strong and secure foundation. Early in my career, I ran into misunderstandings and frustrations all the time. Most could have been avoided with clear systems. Here's what I found helps: use secure agreements, get signed contracts for every job. Digital tools like Dropbox Sign make this fast and legal. Keep your portfolio fresh. Update your portfolio monthly with your best recent work if possible. This helps attract higher clients and reflects your growth. Outsource when needed. If work becomes too much, consider outsourcing routine tasks like admin or emails. This lets you focus on your high value work, the stuff that moves the needle. Scaling doesn't mean doing more work yourself, it means working smarter. So, what are the episode 3 takeaways? 1. Tools and automation save you time and mental energy. 2. Client boundaries protect your sanity and your productivity. 3. A solid foundation sets you up for sustainable growth. So, thanks for listening to this 3-part series on task management for freelancers. Next, take one idea from these episodes and implement it this week. Small changes build momentum, and that's what long term success is made of. I'd love to hear what tools and systems you adopt. Drop me a note and let me know how it goes. Thanks for listening to our 3-part series on task management for freelancers. Catch you in the next episode.